In this video, we will fix an Epson printer with the L310 model. The condition of this printer is stuck. When turned on, an orange indicator blinks, as seen in this video. To fix this problem, we will need a resetter software that you can easily find online. I will also share the link in the description. Before we start the reset, make sure the printer is connected to your computer and that the drivers are installed correctly. Next, we will begin. Open the software. Then click Select, and select our printer model, L310. Then also select the port that automatically detects our printer. Click OK, then click Particular Adjustment Mode. And select Waste Ink Pad Counter. And OK, then check Main Pad Counter. Then click Check, to make sure the point value is already maximum. We can see here, the value is indeed already maximum. Next, we have to reset this value to 0 again by clicking Initialize. And click OK. Next, we have to turn off the printer first. Then we turn it back on. Now the printer is back to normal. I hope this is useful.